Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a steamed shredded potato sauce. It may not look fancy, but trust me, this thing is seriously good. Soft, savory, a little spicy, and perfectly with rice or steamed buns. Shred the peeled potatoes into fine strips using a grater. Remember, wash the potatoes first. Once they are shredded, don't rinse them. Now add the chopped scallions and dice the chili right into the potatoes. Here comes the flavor. Add 1 tablespoon of yellow bean paste, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, half a tablespoon dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon MSG, 1 teaspoon Chinese 13 spice, 1 tablespoon chili flakes, and 2 tablespoons of cooked oil. Mix everything really well. Yeah, it doesn't look great right now, but don't judge it yet. This is the kind of food that surprises you. Spread it evenly on a steaming plate. Cold water into the steamer. And once the water is boiling, steam for about 15 to 20 minutes. Wow, the aroma is amazing. Let's have a try. The potato sauce is incredible over a bowl of plain white rice. Simple, comforting, and insanely satisfying. You've got to try this at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.